So let us go with another property. Show that x into jn dash of x is equal to x into jn minus 1 of x minus n into jn of x. So let us go with the simplification. First I will consider jn of x. Summation r varies from 0 to infinity minus 1 to the power of r x by 2 to the power of n plus 2r to 1 divided by gamma of n plus r plus 1 into r factorial. Now I will do its differentiation. Jn dash r varies from 0 to infinity minus 1 to the power of r, and I will do the differentiation n plus 2r into x by 2 to the power of n plus 2r minus 1 into 1 by 2 into 1 divided by gamma of n plus r plus 1 into r factorial. Now I should multiply x to this. Jn dash of x. Summation r varies from 0 to infinity minus 1 to the power of r n plus 2r into, so I will take x here, x into x by 2 to the power of minus 1 into x by 2 to the power of n plus 2r into 1 divided by gamma of n plus r plus 1 into r factorial. So I have separated this. Now if you just observe x by 2 to the power of minus 1, and you have 1 by 2, which I forgot here, this 1 by 2. I think this x divided by, so this is x and this is 1 divided by x by 2. So this term, everything cancels because you have power minus 1, it goes to denominator. So you will get x into jn dash of x as summation r varies from 0 to infinity minus 1 to the power of r into n plus 2r into x by 2 to the power of n plus 2r to 1 divided by gamma of n plus r plus 1 into r factorial. Now I will split this n plus 2r as two summations because we need two summations. So n plus 2r can be split as 2 into n plus r minus n. So what happens now? Summation r varies from 0 to infinity minus 1 to the power of r into x by 2 to the power of n plus 2r into 2 into n plus r divided by, so this gamma of n plus r plus 1 can be written as n plus r into gamma of n plus r into r factorial. So this is one summation minus summation r varies from 0 to infinity minus 1 to the power of r x by 2 to the power of n plus 2r into n divided by gamma of n plus r plus 1 into r factorial. So if you just observe this, this is nothing but jn of x with this n outside. So directly I can write n into jn of x, this term. Now I have to simplify this term. You know that n plus r get cancels. So the remaining term is r varies from 0 to infinity minus 1 to the power of r x by 2 to the power of n plus 2r into 2 divided by gamma of n plus r into r factorial. So now once again I will split the x by 2 term. We have done this already in most of the properties, previous properties. X by 2 into x by 2 to the power of n plus 2r minus 1 into 2 divided by gamma of, so n plus r I can write it as n plus r only into r factorial. Now 2 get cancels and this x I will write outside because I want x into jn minus 1 of x. So x into this x I am writing outside, 2 and this 2 get cancelled. So r varies from 0 to infinity, minus 1 to the power of r x by 2 to the power of, I will write this as n minus 1 plus 2r, 1 divided by gamma of n minus 1 plus r plus 1 into r factorial. So this is nothing but x into jn minus 1 of x. So this summation we got x into jn of x minus. So therefore this property is satisfied. X into jn dash of x can be written as x into jn minus 1 of x minus n into jn of x. So if you have any doubts, you can just rewind the video and pause wherever you didn't understood, and you can go through with the property.